you have been dying to learn how to create this click-worthy thumbnail, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create it using AI for free. Instead of using those expensive thumbnail makers, I'm going to be teaching you how to create them for free so that your viewers can actually get fascinated and click on your videos and watch them, so that you can get views, watch hours, and also subscribers. Take a scroll on YouTube and you can see channels using AI generated thumbnails for their videos in order to stand out and generate more views. As these thumbnails spark curiosity, making viewers or subscribers to click on the videos in order to watch them. But if you decide to use those paid AI thumbnail generator, they'll charge you as high as $47, as you can see on the screen. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do it for free using ChatGPT and a powerful prompt that I will provide for you. So the first thing you need to do is go to ChatGPT and place that prompt. If you need it, kindly let me know in the comment section. Then you go ahead and edit the prompt. Where it says insert text, you can see in bracket, I'm just going to clean it and insert the text that I want to be on my thumbnail. So for example, for this thumbnail I want to have free AI thumbnail, so I'm just going to type in free AI thumbnail in the place that says insert text, as you can see that I am doing on the screen. Now that I am done doing that, I'm simply going to click on the plus button. Now I'm going to bring the image that I want to be on my thumbnail. So I have taken the image already, so I'm just going to upload it to ChatGPT. Once it's done uploading on ChatGPT, please, if you are still watching to this point, do not forget to subscribe. I'll click on the send button and ChatGPT will go ahead and generate my thumbnail for me. Just watch and see. Oops, it's not generating it. Okay, sometimes you just have to, let's guide ChatGPT and let it know what you want it to do. I'm just going to type in "you are" to generate the thumbnail, because AI is, you have to still guide AI no matter what. So I'm just going to type in "you are" to create the thumbnail. You can see now it will go ahead and create the thumbnail. Yes. Now that my thumbnail is generating, please do not forget to leave a comment if you're a new YouTuber and you're going to try this, or if you have been there for a long time and you're going to try this. Let me know in the comment section. You can see it is downloading my thumbnail and it is beautiful. Now my thumbnail is ready and you can see how beautiful and professional and attention grabbing this is. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.